Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access, Security and Biometrics. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Face Unlock. Now enter your current screen lock. Hit Start at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Then select Done at the bottom. Finally, hit OK in Attention pop-up. Manage all of those options however you wish to. And when you're done, tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!